So I have triggers, right? Yeah, this is setting up triggers. Basically, how triggers actually work is you can you can send an email, like an email request, towards the company's towards the company's customer section. So, for instance, if a company has Copilot, like an AI agent, you would, if they're not available within the business hours from like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you can basically send a standardized email or request to chat, and then the Copilot agent, if there's a trigger, what they will do is they'll send you back an email stating that they're not available during non-business hours. So during those business hours, they'll be able to reply back. So you definitely get a response that says that. So that's how triggers work. In most cases, that's what you see. So like right here, I can like create a trigger. We can just say um, business hour response, and yeah, and then category, we could probably like just say AI agents, or yeah, we can just say AI agents, and confirmation of business hours. Example, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday to Friday. Yeah, some companies work like Monday to Friday, and set maybe 8 a.m. till 3 p.m. Set Saturday to Sunday. So can add conditions. We usually request a Webex cop, no, not request a ticket. Agent replies, approvals data, assignee, CCs, change names. As you can see, these are all the different types of triggers that you can have. So it's not only just for tickets, but it's also for the agents that are actually working here. So we can just say agent replies, and then we can just say agent reply when it's like less than one. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, another, because this is just an example. So another category, meet any of the other category trigger would be assignee if the assignee is not available. So for instance, this is the agent. So if he's not available, then he will also like get that notification if they're not available during business working hours. Yeah, we can just use one, but you can actually add like way more than just this one. I made a mistake here. Yeah, like for instance, like the request or time zone. Yeah, the operator is not available. Maybe let's say they're working in European time. So European time, it's like +2, I think, something like that. Yeah, like maybe we have like Dublin, Edinburgh. Yeah, we would probably choose like London. We choose Yeah, because like if they meet any of these conditions, so if they're not available during like these working hours, like Monday to Friday, then then you will get like yeah, there's no need for anything else like that. And the actions that can take place is like if the ticket, yeah, we can say auto reply. So for auto reply, thanks for reaching out. We received your request and appreciate your patience. Our customer support team will get back to you during our business hours, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. In the meantime, you can check out our help. If it's Eastern Time, then we could probably like change that to like American Time, because that's like Eastern Time. So probably we could probably like just look for Eastern Time right here. Where is it? I think it was like somewhere like, yeah, there we go. That's Eastern Time for you. And another action would be notify by active webhook. If you actually got webhooks integrated, then you could also like use that if you integrate it into a different platform, group email, group text, user email. So we're going to choose like user email, and then we're going to choose like all non-restricted assignee, current user, and yeah, current user, and then this is the email body and email subjects. We could probably just like write something like this. Support. Okay, I'll just write something like response from the support team. Yeah. So this is basically how the trigger will actually work. So I'm not sure actually if like the ticket agent replies yes, and then you can just like create the trigger. So now the business trigger business hours actually like available, and then there's it right there. So now on your AI agent, it's pretty much now available. This is basically like how you would actually like create the basic AI agent triggers. And then here you have sets tickets to priority norm if none is created to apply a 1 hour first reply time as a SLA policy. So with this type of triggers is that when, yeah, it's still the same thing, but it's just that like with the SLAs, it can also like you can make it mandatory for the agents. So just so that there's like apply a 1 hour first reply time. So there's like 59 minutes for you to actually respond within that time, so that it doesn't mess around the metrics or anything else. And then yeah, you can have messaging triggers. So first reply, so which is like this one is like inactive. It's already said all agents offline. All agents are offline. They will get back to you when available. So you can just edit it. And when it comes to, yeah, this is pretty much like the basic ones. So it's pretty much standard here. Activate this trigger. Run only once per ticket. No, you don't have to actually run it once. If they're offline, it can run as many times as it can. Customer requesting is true. Account stated is invisible. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, send this message, and if you save it, pretty much it becomes active. So this is like for all agents. It's setups automated actions such as responding with a message when specific conditions are met in messaging. So if like nobody's actually available to actually work, so this is what you're gonna get via your email. And I'm pretty sure that, yeah, send message to customers. So yeah, request email continuous conversation, you can change that, or you can wait, and it can suspend the users automatically if they send. I'm pretty sure there's also like a way to actually like set up like if they send spamming messages, and it can automatically suspend, and that will actually like work towards the automation section right here. So I'm not pretty much seeing anything, because I think I'm not sure where is this tab like pretty much empty. Yeah, there's no automations available. Okay, yeah, that'll be that.